Go, Lise, go.
Yeah, okay, there you go.
Right, here goes the bummers.
There goes the great rainbow.
Oh, that's freaky.
Go.
That's creepy.
Oh, wow.
Jeff is dying.
Yeah, he's dying, yeah, but he's
Jeff is dying.
His head's steaming.
He's having a
He's
chill.
looking down at us going.
The skull's gonna roll out.
Be on flames, a flying skull.
Oh, God,
Look
look
at
at
the
that.
smoke coming out of his
Unbelievable.
mouth. Smoke coming out of his mouth.
Oh, yeah. Ah, yes.
Oh no, the bombers are gonna go off.
Yeah.
Standing back.
Quick, move back, Haley.
We lost the...
Oh my god, it's gonna pop
Here
everywhere.
we go.
I mean, anything's
Uncle
fine.
Boogie's got big bungers in him.
Look at him smoking. Smoking, man.
Watch out for his head, look.
Oh, that is creepy. It has inside.
It does look like it has insides.
Intestines are on fire. Oh, look.
Green one.
He's got insides. Uh-oh. He goes
Oh no, I'm scared.
There you go. It's going.
Watch out. 'cause
Oh
they'll
crap.
shrapnel out.
Move it. How many are in it?
Oh, like a whole packet.
No, whole pack.
He vomited.
It's all the souls.
He does look like he has insides.
Oh, there goes the side.
Good one.
His insides are going.
Looks like something off.
Oh!
Did you guys recognise him? Yeah, he just vomited.
Look at all
His head's gonna fall.
Told you.
Oh, there goes his arm. His arm. He's gone.
Don't kill us.
I've got worse than that. I want his head. No, you don't get rid of that head.
No way.
It looks like Voldemort.
He's determined not to die. There he goes. Look at his sword.
Look at his sword.
Oh, they're still not
It's a sign, not a
burning.
sword.
Oh, what did he call it?
Oh, look at that. That's unbelievable.
His head's made a bigger fire.
No, it's still not alive, darling. That's amazing. He's still humming it. Yeah. Amazing.
Looks like a little flame this way.
That side has got to go.
Sword thing's still steaming.
It's getting there.
You reckon?
3 minutes.
Maybe Allah.
Charlie's got back.